Partner Vigotel Mobile, Mr. Ehsan Izhar on behalf of Inverex Electric Vehicle, Mr. Ahmed Sheikh, Group Director Media, Supersaf. First award for tonight, can I please ask Mr. Mohsin Naqvi to come forward to present the PCB Moment of the Match award to Shaheen Shah Afridi. Once again, impacting the game in the power play. It goes for his 2 wickets in his very first over tonight. Next award will be presented by Mr. Ahmed Sheikh, who will present the Supersaf Dishwash Bar Striker of the Match cash award of 1,50,000 rupees to the South African captain, Donovan Ferreira. He came out, played a blitz of 29 of 14, 3 big sixes, striking at a strike rate of 207. Can I please ask Mr. Ahmed Sheikh to stay on to present the Supersaf Bowler of the Match cash award of 1,50,000 rupees. Once again, Shaheen Shah Afridi. In addition to his 2 in the first over, went on to pick up 1 more in the match to return figures of 26 for 3 tonight. Next award, can I please ask Ms. Hadia Arshad to come forward to present the Jazz Superpower of the Day cash award of 1 lakh rupees to Fahim Ashraf. 2 wickets tonight, and more important ones, those of George Linda and Donovan Ferreira, to just bend the back for South Africa. Can I now please ask Mr. Mohammad Faizan Khan to come forward to present the Vigotel Mobile Master Blaster of the Match cash award of 1 lakh rupees to Babar Azam. And the crowd stayed on to watch Babar Azam, who was back in form with a phenomenal 68 match-winning knock of 47 deliveries. Babar, don't go too far because a whole heap of awards coming your way. Can I now please ask Mr. Ehsan Izhar to present the Inverex EV Batter of the Match cash award of 1 lakh rupees. Once again, Babar Azam. 68 of 47, 9 fours, striking at 144, and gave plenty for the Gaddafi Stadium crowd to cheer on. He will also now come forward as the player of the match to sign the bat for Vigotel Mobile collaboration project in association with the Al Mara Foundation. A young fan gets an opportunity to watch a star in action, and a photograph he will remember for a very long time. Babar, stay on because you will now collect an award from Mr. Noor Alam, who will present the KFC Player of the Match trophy and cash award of 300,000. Once again, the crowd will tell you, Babar Azam 68 of 47, a match-winning knock, which also sealed the series win for Pakistan. And I think it's also time to hear साइड में वापसी और एक गद्दाफी स्टेडियम का क्राउड, एक क्योंकि आपका इंटरव्यू चला था मैच के दौरान कि मैं चाहता हूं कि फैंस के मुंह पे मुस्कुराहट ज़रूर आए, और आज आपने बखूब उनको मुस्कुराहट दी.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. बिल्कुल मेरे ख्याल से जिस तरह लाहौर के क्राउड ने सपोर्ट किया, और मेरे ख्याल से ये इनिंग ड्यू भी थी. यही था कि अपने आप को बैक कर रहा था और बिलीव कर रहा था, टीम बिलीव कर रही थी. नॉक कर रहा था कि ऐसी नॉक मिल जाए, लेकिन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आज वो नॉक हुई.
वो जो आपने बात की कि अपने आप को बैक कर रहा था और सेल्फ बिलीफ की बात होती है, बट कितना प्रेशर होता है, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली जो स्टैचर आपका है वर्ल्ड क्रिकेट में, अब आप T20 लीडिंग रन स्कोरर हैं, टीम से कुछ अर्सा बाहर है, तो वो कमबैक में प्रेशर था कि उसको कितना काम रह के उसको एंजॉय करते हैं?
देखें, हर चीज़ में प्रेशर होता है, और प्रेशर कैसे ऑब्जॉर्व करते हैं ये आप पे होता है. और उसमें मैं अपने आप को सिर्फ फोकस ये था कि मैं क्या बेहतर कर सकता हूँ और क्या मैं टीम रिक्वायर्ड है और मेरी एबिलिटी है उसको मैं कैसे इन्हांस कर सकता हूँ, और सिचुएशन के हिसाब से जो डिमांड टीम करती है उस हिसाब से खेलता हूँ. और बिल्कुल उस दौरान काफ़ी चीज़ें थी जो मैंने अपने आप बैठ के बात की, और क्या जो मेरी अच्छी चीज़ें थी उसको अच्छा कर रहा हूँ, जो बुरी थी उसको और मज़ीद अच्छा करने की कोशिश की है.
अच्छा, सिचुएशन की आपने बात की, और एक ऐसे मोमेंट पे जहां विकेट थोड़ा सा मुश्किल ज़रूर था, तो इस नॉक की ज़्यादा आपको खुशी इस बात की होगी कि एक मैच विनिंग नॉक और एक मुश्किल सिचुएशन में भी कंडीशन को अडेप्ट करके खेला.
बिल्कुल. देखें, शुरू में थोड़ा सा बॉल थोड़ा सा ग्रिप हो रहा था स्पेशली स्पिनर का, और उसमें जब मैं और आगा कह रहे थे उसमें यही कह रहे थे कि हम स्पिनर को सी ऑफ करेंगे, और लेकिन इंडियन जब आप फास्ट बॉलर आ रहा था वो आपको ईजी लग रहा था. तो उसमें हमने ये प्लान किया था कि हम जितना डीप जाएंगे, जितना जो है पार्टनरशिप बिल्ड करेंगे, उतना टीम के लिए अच्छा, और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वो चीज़ हुई।
अच्छा ये बताएं, जो आपसे पहले जो भी विकेट जिसकी गिरती है उसके बाद जो ये क्राउड खुशी से बाबर के नारे लगाते हैं, तो आप उस प्लेयर को क्या बोलते हैं वापस जाकर?
थोड़ा सा होता है कि ये भी हमारे प्लेयर हैं और इनको सपोर्ट करें, जिस तरह आप मुझे सपोर्ट करते हैं, पाकिस्तान टीम को सपोर्ट करें, पाकिस्तान के हर प्लेयर को सपोर्ट करें।
चलिए बाबर, great to see you back in form and great to see that smile on your face. Babar Azam with the match-winning knock of 68 runs felt like that the self-belief and the self-talk was important. He felt that being out of the side, he worked on the things that he could enhance in his game. Came back, he felt the pressure. Obviously, in every circumstance, there is a bit of pressure. I did ask him about the crowd cheering on when his fellow player does get out. He says they're all our players and is happy that he returns a match-winning knock for Pakistan. Moving on, then, can I please ask Fahim Ashraf to come forward, who bags the Player of the Series trophy and cash award. It is from KFC, and Mr. Noor Alam will present this award. He's been phenomenal with the ball, returns figures of 8 wickets in the 2 games that he, 6 wickets, beg your pardon, in the 2 games that he did bowl. 4 for 23 and 2 for 28 tonight. फ़हीम, एक ऑल राउंड के तौर पे आप एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को बहुत ज़्यादा इंजॉय करने लगे। इस तरह का हमें भी फीलिंग आती है कि पहले बैट से और इस बॉल से, बट इस टूर्नामेंट में आपको बॉलिंग के ऊपर 4 विकेटें और 3 विकेटें, खास करके चेंज ऑफ पेस जो डिलीवरीज आपने कराई।
देखें जी, मैंने जैसे कल भी बात की थी कि टीम का एक रोल है, टीम आपको रोल देती है, तो मेरी कोशिश होती है कि मैं उसी रोल के मुताबिक खेलूँ, चाहे मुझे वो बॉलिंग में रोल मिल रहा है, फील्डिंग में मिल रहा है, चाहे मुझे वो बैटिंग में मिल रहा है। कि अगर मेरी बॉलिंग बैटिंग नहीं आती तो मेरी कोशिश होती है कि मैं अपनी टीम के लिए फील्डिंग ऐसी करूं कि कुछ ना कुछ मैं टीम के लिए कर लूं।
बॉलिंग की हमने बात की तो बहुत ज़्यादा बात हो रही थी कि सिचुएशन और कंडीशंस को अडेप्ट करना, और ख़ास करके जिस तरह की लाहौर में सर्फेस ऐसी, तो स्लोअर वन जो है उसको आप किस तरह से गेज करते हैं, ओवर को किस तरह से प्लान करते हैं कि कहाँ पर वो डिलीवरी करनी है ताकि विकेट मिले?
देखें, बॉलिंग में मुझे थोड़ा सा, मैं यहाँ पे बोलूँगा कि मुझे एज मिलता है बैटिंग की वजह से, क्योंकि मैं एज अ बैट्समैन बॉलिंग पे जब बॉलिंग कर रहा हूँ तो मैं एज अ बैट्समैन भी सोच रहता हूँ कि अगला बैट्समैन क्या सोच रहा होगा, क्योंकि हम भी जब बैटिंग कर रहे होते हैं तो मेरा यही होता है कि बॉलर क्या सोच रहा होगा। तो ये थोड़ा सा मुझे एज मिल जाता है कि जब मैं बॉलिंग पे खड़ा होता हूँ तो मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि जो वो सोच रहा है ना उसी के मुताबिक कर दूँ, क्योंकि वो बंदा फिर ज़्यादा डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है। कि जैसे अगर कोई बैट्समैन सोच रहा है कि आगे फ़हीम स्लो करेगा, तो मैं स्लो नहीं करता, मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि मैं थोड़ा सा ऑपोजिट जाऊँ, लेकिन सम टाइम होता है वो सोच रहा होता है कि अब ये करेगा, यही करेगा, तो मैं वही करता हूँ।
तो ये जो बॉलिंग प्लान्स हैं, क्योंकि आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऐसी होती है, कभी आप पावर प्ले में बॉल करते हैं, आखिर में भी करनी पड़ती है, जहाँ रन्स तो रोक नहीं है बट विकेट टेकिंग ऑप्शन आप बहुत ज़्यादा उभर कर आए पाकिस्तान के लिए, तो उसको किस तरह से बैलेंस करते हैं?
और देखें, ये जैसे बात पहले किया कि टीम का प्लान है, टीम जहाँ पे भी चाहेगी मुझे बॉलिंग के लिए, बैटिंग के लिए, मैं हर टाइम हाजिर हूँ। मेरी कोशिश यही है कि कहीं पे भी अगर टीम को मैं कुछ भी दे सकता हूँ तो मैं अपनी तरफ से दे दूँ।
चलें फ़हीम, एक्सीलेंट ट्रॉफी टुनाइट इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्लेयर ऑफ द सीरीज एंड गो वेल फॉर द अपकमिंग सीरीज।
थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक यू।
Fahim Ashraf, the player of the series for his 6 wickets in the tournament, and he said that his batting in that middle order helps him outfox the batter at the other end when he is bowling. Adapting to the surfaces is key. The team relies on him bowling in all 3 phases. And the other thing was his change of pace deliveries was his go-to. When he cannot deliver with bat and ball, he tries to make an impact in the field. So the great all-round effort and a well-deserved player of the series for Fahim Ashraf. Now then, can I please invite the South African captain, Donovan Ferreira. One win to start this series, but could not turn Pakistan over in the remaining 2 games. But I'm sure there were plenty of learning opportunities. Donovan, one and then not being able to convert, and I just felt like the learning curve was a bit too steep tonight.
Yeah, I think obviously we didn't perform with the batter once again. I think our bowlers really did well to fight that end. But yeah, like if you're not having enough runs on the board, then that doesn't really help us.
In terms of a learning opportunity, I'm sure fantastic in terms of situation, playing in opposition. You've got a fresh young group. There must be plenty of positives to take home.
Yeah, there is. We can take a lot out of it. I think in any up and down, you can learn a lot. I think for our bowlers, it's never done until the end. They showed that they fought really well. And then for our batters, we can't keep losing wickets in clusters. That doesn't really help us.
In terms of Pakistan bowling plan, you talk about they kept sticking with the slow ones. In terms of going forward, how do you address this? And because on T20, normally these tacky surfaces come few and far in between.
Yeah, I think we can definitely take a lot out of what they did. Like you say, they kept it really simple and they bowled to their skills. They bowled a lot of cutters over there, which obviously got us out. So I think credit to them, and for us, we can learn a lot.
In terms of captaincy, you must have enjoyed that. Obviously, not in terms of the result, but you enjoyed your time out there.
Yeah, I definitely enjoyed it. Like I say, this last 5 overs in this game was exciting, you know, doing something unorthodox over there. So that's really good for us, yeah.
I trust Pakistan to make everything exciting for you.
Yeah, definitely.
Enjoyed your time in Pakistan?
Yeah, I did. Obviously, you can't really do much, but yeah, the games have been good. We still have the one-day series now coming up, so still have a couple of days, yeah.
Well, I hope you enjoy the couple of days of rest and bounce back well in the ODI series. It's been great watching.
Yeah, thank you. And just the last thing, I just want to give a shout out to our ladies in the final of the World Cup. We're going to be in our pantoffels watching the game and supporting you guys. Cheers.
Great stuff from the South African skipper. The women will be in action tomorrow at the ICC Women's World Cup. But now time to talk to the winning skipper, that of Pakistan, Salman Ali Agha. A fantastic turnaround in terms of 2 wins on the bounce. Salman, it was important to follow up the performance from yesterday.
Yeah, I think the good team does that. When they have a great performance, they back that, and we did that, and I'm very happy with that.
It now seems like in terms of combination roles, horses for courses, in terms of the players that you pick, it's coming together ahead of the T20 World Cup.
Yeah, it's like 3-4 months now. Like we have told every player what is their role in the team, and I think everyone knows now, and it's just executing their role in every single game, day in, day out.
Also in terms of the measured approach from obviously not all ultra aggressive, but a little bit of smart cricket, the team seems to be now finding that balance.
Yeah, you just need to do that. When what the game needs you, this is what you need to do, and I think we did that in this game and the last game as well. So this is what we wanted to do, like week in, week out, day in, day out, every single game, and this is going to win us a games as well.
Now you employed a rotation policy with plenty of personnel resting and being given a chance, but it may give you a lot of confidence to see everyone perform and everyone getting an opportunity performing.
Yeah, we believe on that because we have so many games coming up. Like we are playing almost 15 games in 25 days, and it's hard for everyone to play every single game. So that's what we were doing, and our bench strength is growing as well, and I'm very happy with that as well.
You have to make the chase so interesting at the end?
Sorry?
Had to make the chase a little bit interesting at the end?
That's what Pakistan is going to be. Yeah, we would love to do a bit more clinical, but I'll take that because we were 1-0 down and coming back, winning this series. It's a great effort for the boys, and I'm very happy for them and for every fan of Pakistan as well.
Must give yourself a lot of confidence as captain to be down and out and then come back with 2 comprehensive wins to win the series.
Yeah, it's always great. Like when you are 1-0 down and come back and show that those character we have shown in this game and the last game as well, which is very, 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 very great moment for us, and we just want to continue and play cricket like that every single game.
Salman, many, many congratulations on the series win, and I will now ask you to go forward as Mr. Mohsin Naqvi and Mr. Noor Alam will present the KFC Winners' Trophy. Pakistan who win the series 2-1. From 1-0 down to 2-1 to pick up that beautiful trophy. 2 comprehensive wins on the bounce. Salman Ali Agha lifts that trophy. And he will now make his way to his squad who is eagerly waiting plenty of awards from then tonight. The Bank Al Falah presents KFC T20I series. The winners, Pakistan.
Yeah, deserved winners. They've come back from a 1-0 down to come and clinch this T20 International Series 2-0 right here at the Gaddafi Stadium. Yeah, those are moments that display hard effort, tactics, and most of all performances. Brilliant from Pakistan. Come back from 1-0 down. Well, this is how this tour has unfolded so far. The 2 Test match series went 1 apiece. Pakistan winning the first, and then a fight back by South Africa to win the second by 8 wickets. Well, the 3-match T20 International Series, South Africa went 1-0 up, and then Pakistan came back to win it 2-1 in the end. Well, we've got an exciting ODI series to look forward to. First match on the 4th, and then the 6th, and then the 8th. All these matches at Faisalabad. Can make sure that you do join us in Faisalabad for those ODI series because it will be exciting, and you can join us for live coverage from 2:50 p.m. local time. Till then, It's a good night from the Gaddafi Stadium.